A City of Joburg health worker has been arrested for allegedly selling fake COVID-19 negative tests to travelers for 500 rand. It's claimed that no actual tests were taken in exchange for the document. The 28-year-old man is expected to appear in the Booysens Magistrate's Court on Monday on fraud charges. We're joined by the Joburg Forensic and Investigating Services Unit spokesperson, Sindane. Lucky, good evening to you. Thanks for your time. How does something like this happen under the watch of so many officials in the department?
Good evening, Kathy. We are disappointed as a city that this has happened. We received a complaint from an anonymous caller who told us about the official who was selling the negative COVID-19 test certificates at our Parkhurst clinic, and we immediately acted on the anonymous call, and we conducted our own investigation and set up our sting operation, which led to the arrest of this official. We try by all means to educate our officials on a weekly basis on fraud and corruption, what to do, what not to do, what's wrong, what's right. And like we're saying, we are disappointed by the actions.
But surely something like selling fake COVID-19 certificates doesn't require education. It's a clear issue of what's wrong. Nobody needs to be workshopped on selling COVID-19 certificates, unless you're saying it's a more widespread problem in the City of Joburg than what we're seeing.
It's not. I'm not saying it's a widespread problem at the moment. We were made aware of the matter only a week ago, and we are investigating. All I'm saying is that we try and teach our officials what to do, what not to do. Yes, we will find those that do not want to listen, who will do their own things, and we quickly act when we receive such complaints about their actions. What we're going to do, we're going to take him through the disciplinary process of the city, and we don't need such officials in our system.
What position does this official have, Lucky? And do you have any idea how many certificates he had sold?
He is a male nurse at Parkhurst Clinic. He's a junior official who started 2 years ago at the city, working for the city. We have not established as to how many certificates has he issued to members of the public. We're going to do that in the coming week, because now what we're going to do, we're going to go back to his system, and what we've also established is that he is not working alone. There are people that he's working with who are at a laboratory who are assisting him to do this. So we'll go back to the system. The system will tell us as to how many certificates has he issued, and those certificates that he has issued, do they have blood samples? Because if you test, if you do a PCR test, there must be a blood sample that accompanies the certificates, which will indicate whether you are positive or negative.
All right.
So it's information that we'll establish during the week.
Lucky, Sindane, let me thank you so much for your time. We'll keep a close eye on the outcome of those investigations. And he's with the City of Johannesburg's Forensic and Investigation Services Unit.